Oh my god. Oh my god. I just beat it. I just beat it. Oh my god. I can't actually believe it. Bro, this is my first demon. 203 attempts on this. Oh my god. I don't. Yes! Okay, my opinions on this level. It's a goated first demon. After that, I do recommend York, which I might try to beat, but it's like really hard for me at 25% because, yeah, it's going at like whatever time speed. If there's any other demons that I should beat, recommend to me. Bye.